Okay, here's another one on the side of the road on Highway 60. I'm not sure what this was. Looks like it was a hotel. Looks well boarded up. We'll see. Well, it looks like there's one open. Documenting this stuff because it's not going to last here forever. It is going to be gone. So let's see what's in here. Oh wow. Sorry guys, I accidentally hit the button. Well, let's look. Here, get that old stove. A big fireplace. Oh, this is really scary to walk on this. Look at that fireplace. It was nice. Oh, wall. That's where they put the wood. And that's the stove. Big windows. Lots of mouse poop in here. So, wow. This was a bedroom. Poor shape. Oh, there's so much poop. Let's see. Bathroom. Couches. Nice beamed ceiling. Look at that nice wood up there. Was it knotty pine or something, maybe? Had nice tile. Wow. Black mold. Needed it to come in. It's all black mold. All on all these walls. And that's all mouse droppings. So this here must have been master bedroom and bathroom. Bathroom. It's dark as heck. Let me show you how dark it is. I'll turn off the night vision. That's without the night vision. So yeah, it's dark as heck. Closet. So these might have been apartments instead of a hotel. But that's all black mold. So I'm not gonna stick around in here with all this poop and black mold, and that's all poop. All of that. Let me see out here, might be light enough to see it better. That's all mouse poop. I'm going to be stirring it up. Oh, and this is the kitchen. Let's turn night vision back on. It's dark in here. this is old. Look at that old stove. That's an old stove. The old metal sink, counters. It's cool. Here's another one over here. It's all metal. We're not gonna stay in here because awful lot of poop. I don't want to get that, whatever that virus is you can get from it. Look at these beams. Oops, sorry guys. Look at these beams. Yeah, these are all individual little apartments or a motel. And that first one is where the manager was. Not sure. But it's hella cool. All these little itty bitty separated buildings. And I'm gonna walk up here and get this other building up here. I'll turn you back on when I get there. Look at that. That cactus. Let's get a sweep of this. And there's Xena, the warrior princess. Yeah. Please like and subscribe. Please share. Please tell your friends and family. Let's get this channel to 1,000. Peace.